We have another McDonald's toy. Let's see what we got today. It is Pikachu from the Pokemon Omega Ruby and Alpha Sapphire games. It is number 1 in this series. Let's get this opened. It comes with a Pokemon card and some instructions. And of course, Pikachu. Let's see, you push it along the table. Let's take a closer look. Pikachu has his angry face on and ready to attack. He looks great and is still super cute. He has a transparent yellow tail here and some visible screw holes on the left side, but it is clean on the right side. On the top, you can see that the tail is offset to the right. On the bottom are a pair of rear wheels, but there are no front wheels. He will end up sliding on the front paws. The rear wheels are tough to roll as it needs to drive the gimmick. Let's try it out. The tires are slick and is hard rubber, so it doesn't grip. Even with my fingers, it is hard to spin. You can hear it, but it doesn't spark. I'll try it again later. It also comes with a random Pokemon card to add to your Pokemon card game. What do you think I got? I got a Pikachu card! What a coincidence. This one is a shiny card. It says it is number 6 out of 12 of this set. I'm going to see if I can get this to work. After spinning the wheels over and over, I can now get it to spark a little bit. It seems like you need to break in the mechanism by spinning the wheels over and over. It will probably spark more as I use it. One big problem with this toy is that it doesn't have any front wheels. So as you keep revving up the toy, it will scratch up your tables and floors. And it also doesn't go straight because only one of the front paws are touching the table, making it spin around. It is an interesting toy, but it would have had a lot less issues if it had a front wheel. That's it for now. See you next time.